Hey, man, we got the Ezgo EFI here. And you can tell it's fuel injection. I'm gonna tell you two ways to tell it's fuel injection versus carburetor. First one is, if you look at it, it has no choke here. Second reason is, it has no fuel filter, no fuel pump. It's got an electronic fuel pump in the cart. And of course, you can see you can see your throttle body here, fuel injectors, all that. The problem with this one is, it doesn't run. I pulled it out to show y'all a video on how to, well, forget all that, let's do this. All right, man, it don't run. I was gonna show y'all a video on how to troubleshoot the EFI, like the spark and stuff. We gotta get it to turn over first. First thing you do is volts on volts DC, which is V with a straight line, right here. And put your clamp on your positive, clamp on your negative, which is what I did. Positive here, negative here, got battery voltage. Now, when you turn the key on, you'll see this check engine light come on. All right? When I hit the gas, it goes away. So that tells me that my pedal switch is working and my key switch is working. If you turn the key on and this don't come on, I have other videos. Just go to my page, search for Ezgo EFI, you'll find it. So then, now what I'm gonna do is, if you listen to the relay, the fuel pump relay, listen. All right, you can hear the fuel pump relay come on, which tells me that my fuel pump relay is good. Fuel pump relay is good, fuse holder is good, and my key switch fuse is good. So it's nothing to do with the fuse. All right. Now, next thing what I would do is I would come over here. And I got me a new phone holder, man. Tell me if you like it. I got me a microphone coming next. That way you can hear me better. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is check my solenoid because something ain't right down there. All right, or check voltage down there. Now what I'm gonna do is take the air bar. I just bend the bracket out the way like that. I just bend it because ain't no sense fighting taking all the crap off. And, all right, let me get a socket. So then what I'm gonna do is take the cover off here for the solenoid. Depends how long this video is. I might make it into the fire inside of it too. If it's something simple, just to get it running. If it's not, I'll post another one. All right, so I'm gonna pull my cover off. And what I'm gonna do, on your solenoid here, got a wire. I don't see nothing off the solenoid. So what I'm gonna do is leave the black lead of my meter on the main negative. I'm gonna take my red lead of my meter and put it on the red wire post down here. I'm gonna show it to you. See if I can show you. All right, I'm gonna take it and clamp it on there like that. I'm gonna zoom in for you and tilt the phone down. All right, I'm gonna put the black lead on the main negative. All right, and then I'm going to hit the gas key on. And you can see I have my hot voltage there. So now what I'm gonna do is take my red lead off my meter, put it on the main positive. Take my black lead and put it on the ground post down here on the solenoid. If I can get to it. And you can see there, make sure I'm connected good. Make sure I'm connected good to it. Yep, I'm connected good. You can see I have no voltage, which tells me I got a ground. I got a ground problem here. So the ground goes under here to the frame. All right, well now I show battery voltage. Now look at it. I moved the frame ground, and now I show battery voltage, so I guarantee the car will turn over. Yep. All right, now the engine spins. So you see there, all I had was a bad ground on the frame. And I'm gonna show you where the frame is for the ground. I'll put it back on in a minute. But if you look under here, down here you got this corrugated wire. That's your frame ground right there. Yeah, right down here. You can see the ground's kind of dirty. All right, so that was a pretty simple fix. All right, man, let's talk about things here. Now we're gonna get into the firing side of it. Well, I'll make another video on that, man. All right, man, stay tuned, man.